I struggled. I've been in the business for 20 years, and I struggled for the first 3 or 4 years because I was a rental agent. I wasn't selling real estate. And as a struggling realtor who could barely pay his bills, I could still figure out how to put the pieces of the puzzle together to find a friend who had a $5,000 deposit to buy real estate. I found it. He funded the deposit. We were able to assign the first few transactions. And for realtors, and quite frankly, the average earth person, if you will, right, who thinks they don't have the means financially or the knowledge to buy or invest in real estate, they're sorely mistaken. We have speakers that are going to speak at Building Out Live. Christian and Cody. Christian was 19 years old 3 years ago. When they spoke for us in June, they had 105 doors. Today, they have north of 225 doors. It's less than a year later. I'm personally going to teach a breakout session on how to find, fund, fix, and flip real estate without using any of your own money. I'm challenging you to click the link below, and if there's any tickets left, this event will sell out. You want to be at Building Out Live. It's a day-long summit which will arm you with the tools necessary to build wealth in real estate now.